Mom, someone is at the door. I think they are ringing the bell.
I am in the middle of preparing dinner, Lina. Can you check who it is? And remember, check through the peephole first.
Okay, Mom, I'm going. Who is that?
Hello, Lina. Do you remember me?
Oh, Uncle Ben? Is that really you?
Yes, I came to visit your family.
What a surprise! We didn't know you were coming.
I wanted to surprise you all.
Please come inside. Mom will be so happy.
Thank you. My, you have grown so tall.
It has been many years since we last met.
Yes, I was working in another city for a long time.
How was your journey? Was it a long trip?
It was long, but it was comfortable.
Did you bring your luggage with you?
Yes, it is in the car.
I will help you bring it inside.
That's very kind of you, Lina.
Lina? Who is it? Is that the delivery person?
Mom, look who is here!
Ben? Oh, my goodness.
Hello, my dear friend.
I can't believe this. After so many years, is it really you?
It is me. I am finally back.
I am so happy to see you. I honestly thought it had been forever.
I know. I missed you all very much. It was too long to be away.
You are standing right here in my house. Please, sit down. You must be tired after such a long journey.
A little tired, but very happy to be here.
Uncle Ben, you look thirsty. I will bring water first. That is a good idea, Lina. Bring him a cold glass.
Okay, Mom.
It is so quiet. Your home feels the same. Warm and peaceful.
We try to keep it that way. But the house felt empty without you.
And you still talk the same way. Always so kind.
Well, some things never change.
I am very glad of that.
Here you go, Uncle Ben. I brought some water and biscuits. I hope you are hungry.
Thank you, Lina. That is exactly what I needed.
It still feels like a dream that you are here, Ben. You were gone for such a long time.
It was a long time.
Uncle, I have always wondered, why did you move to that other city in the first place?
Yes, it was a big career move. I was offered an important position at a large company there. At the time, it felt like the right choice for my future.
You always were very ambitious. You worked so hard to build your career.
I did, but I learned something important. A good career is nice, but it isn't everything. Over the years, I missed our family gatherings. I missed these Sunday afternoons.
We missed you too, Uncle. It felt like someone was missing from our family photos.
That makes me sad to hear, but I am glad you remember me. Lina, you were just a little girl when I left. I remember you were so tiny.
Really? What was I like? I don't remember much from back then.
You were always full of questions. Even when you were 5, you wanted to know how everything worked. You used to follow me around the garden asking, why is the sky blue? Or why do bees love flowers?
She hasn't changed at all. She still asks me 1,000 questions every single day.
Mom, I just like to learn.
No, don't stop. It is a good thing to be curious. It is how you learn about the world. I am happy to see that you still have that same spirit.
It is good to have you back to answer those questions for a while.
I am happy to be back. Family is truly the most important thing.
So, Ben, you haven't told us the full plan yet. How long will you stay with us this time? Is it a weekend trip?
Actually, I have something very important to tell you both.
What is it, Uncle? You look a bit nervous. Is everything okay?
It's okay. Everything is more than okay. I am moving back to this city.
Really? You mean for good?
Yes, really. I signed the paperwork on a new place this morning.
That is amazing! Are you sure?
I am very sure. I have spent too many years away. I realized that my life was missing something important. I want to be closer to family now.
Oh, Ben, that makes me so happy. I cannot believe we will see you more often.
We can see you every week. We can have dinner together every Sunday, just like when I was little.
Exactly. And I will not miss any more birthdays. No more video calls for special days. I want to be there in person.
This is the best surprise ever. I was worried you would go back to the city tomorrow.
No, my suitcase is staying right here.
You have no idea how much this means to us. A house is just a building, but it is the people who make it a home.
I agree completely. Sometimes unexpected visits bring the best news.
Welcome home, Ben. Truly welcome home.
Thank you. It feels good to finally be home again. I am so grateful for all the help you two. I have a lot of things to unpack.
We don't mind. Besides, I want to see what is inside that suitcase. You mentioned there were gifts.
Lina, let him get settled first. Ben, I have brought fresh sheets and a clean towel.
You are too kind, Sarah. I feel like a guest who never wants to leave.
You are always family, Ben. You are not a guest.
This is for you, Lina.
Oh, a smartwatch. It is so cool. I have been wanting one for school.
And here are some things for your hair, too.
Look, Mom. Hair clips, colorful ribbons, and a ring. These are so pretty. Thank you, Uncle Ben.
This one is for you, Sarah.
For me?
Yes, I remembered you saying your old watch needed a new battery. So I found a new, elegant one.
Oh, Ben, it is so elegant. And this handbag is exactly the color I like. It is so practical and stylish. Thank you.
You have the best taste in gifts, Uncle Ben.
It makes me happy to see you both smiling. I have been looking forward to this moment for weeks.
I am so happy Uncle Ben is here.
Family makes our home complete.
I am glad to be back.
I love our family moments.
Me too, always.